Watch this.
Give me the radio. I need it.
For what? You lied to us once. Don't make us guess.
This cinematic thriller was created by MiniMax H3, Hailuo's new model with omni-reference, where you can make full short films with text, images, and audio inputs. And in this tutorial, I'll show you the complete workflow, including creating consistent characters, generating cinematic scenes for a complete video. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. First, we need a story. Open ChatGPT and paste this master prompt, which you'll find in the description. It includes everything we need, including the story, character profiles, scene descriptions, and the image and video prompts. Once ChatGPT finishes, we can move over to Hailuo AI and start creating our characters. Go to the image generation section and paste the character prompt from ChatGPT. Now choose your image generation model. For this project, I'll use the GPT-Image2. For the character reference image, a square image works well. I'll set the resolution to 2K and the quality to high. You can generate up to 4 variations of the character, but I'll generate only 1 variation for this project. Once the character image is ready, download it and save it somewhere you can easily find later. Now repeat the same process for every main character in your story. One important thing here is to keep the character descriptions consistent. For example, if you describe a character as having black hair in one prompt, don't suddenly describe them with brown hair in another. Keep details like their hairstyle, facial features, clothing, age, body type, and overall appearance consistent throughout the project. Once all of your character reference images are ready, we can start creating the actual scenes. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the prompt for your first scene. Paste that prompt into Hailuo AI. This time, we're going to use the character reference images we created earlier to keep the characters consistent. Upload every character who appears in that particular scene. For example, if there are 5 characters in a scene, upload the reference images for all 5 of them. You can also tag the characters directly in your prompt using the @ sign. This makes it easier to tell Hailuo exactly which reference image belongs to which character. Now, change the image format to a landscape 16:9 ratio. For the resolution, I'll select 1K and I'll keep the image quality set to high. Once everything is ready, click Create and wait for Hailuo to generate the image. Once the image is ready, download it and save it using the scene number. For example, Scene 1. Now repeat the exact same process for Scene 2. Continue doing this for every scene in your story. By the end of this step, you should have a complete collection of scene images, with each image matching the characters, environment, and action described in your story. Now let's turn these scene images into actual video clips. Go to Hailuo AI's video section and paste the video prompt for the first scene, including the dialogue. Once the prompt is in place, upload the image we created for the first scene. Then, add the character references for the characters appearing in this scene. I'll also use the @ sign to tag the characters in the prompt, especially when a specific character is speaking or performing an action. This helps Hailuo understand which character is doing what and maintain their appearance throughout the video. Hailuo AI gives us several video models, but for this tutorial, I'll select MiniMax H3. I'll also keep omni-reference enabled, so Hailuo can use our reference images to maintain the characters and visual details from the original scene. Now I'll set the video to 16:9 and choose 2K resolution. Hailuo allows videos of up to 15 seconds, but for this project, I'll use 12 seconds for each scene. Once everything is ready, click Create and let Hailuo generate the video clip. When the clip is ready, don't immediately move on to the next scene. First, watch it carefully. Check the character movements, facial expressions, dialogue, lip sync, camera movement, and overall consistency with the original scene image. If everything looks good, save the clip. If something doesn't look right, adjust the prompt and generate it again. Then move on to the next scene and repeat the same process. I'll do this for all 10 scenes until we have all of our individual video clips ready for the final edit. And here it is.
You know this, Mike.
My brother's expedition.
Finally, let's talk about pricing. Hailuo AI offers a free plan, but it comes with limited credits and doesn't include MiniMax H3. The standard plan starts at $10.5 per month and includes 1,000 credits and allows access to MiniMax H3. You can also download MiniMax Design on your PC for an intuitive canvas setup. Overall, MiniMax H3 is one of the best models to create cinematic scenes. The key is to plan the story first, create your character reference images, and then keep using those references throughout every scene. So try out Hailuo AI using the prompts and discount link in the description and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another useful AI tutorial, check out this video next.